golf. Yo,
What are you doing?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. What the f? Welcome one and all to Chateau Saint Michel in Woodinville, Washington, just outside Seattle.
Holy.
Elliot might not like me on Alice at 97.3, and it's always so weird right after the time change when you look outside at 5:42 and realize how freaking dark it is outside. It's like midnight out there.
It is true, unfortunately, in many cases, but I think here this government wants to make a statement that it's willing to do things differently. Bibi of all charges, and that means there's no reason why she shouldn't be able to leave the country and get asylum wherever she's on her way to.
Minutes, 10 minutes later, it started raining inside. A little bit here, then a lot more there. Anderson and his IT guy spent 6 hours pushing water out of the building as a fire alarm begged.
If you put your mirror, if you wash your mirror, and if you put your blinkers, I know what are you gonna do.
Are you controlled though?
What? What are you saying?
I don't know why you say it again, you.
Bluefinger said, still scribbling, not sounding at all annoyed. Oh. Man accustomed.
117. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. Jesus.
Where are you going? Where the f you going? Yo!
Something wrong with that? What if you got a camera in there? Nope, no camera. No camera in that one.
Turn it.
Your Watson Road is closed westbound in Elms Court this morning. On the trains, London Overground trains are running between Clapham Junction and Wilston Junction, and there are delays about half an hour on southern services between Clapham Junction and Watford Junction. Can't travel, I mean, still.
EQP 305. 8 EQP 305. Hyundai. Camera. Better stop over.
P like Peter 305?
305, yes, correct.
And what's your cross mission?
You ran into me.
No, I didn't. You hit me. What the f do you mean?
Oh my God, I got you on the camera.
You hit me, dude.
Okay.
You're tripping.
You're tripping.
Listen,
I got you on
How did
camera.
I hit you when you hit me in the back of the car?
Listen.
Yes.
You hit me in the
Listen.
back
Yes.
of my car.
Go ahead.
It doesn't matter who hit who.